Am I even in frame? Oh, I am? Oh, hey. Hi, y'all. Welcome to Extreme Exotic Whips. We out here.
Welcome back to the channel, welcome back to the vlog, and welcome to another episode of Extreme Exotic Whips. But this is like another how-to video because I see that people still having like a slight difficulty as far as getting out of lock mode. So this is like an even further explanation as far as in how to get out of it, but even faster because I finally figured out something, and yeah, it doesn't even have to even take that long. And I'm going to show y'all once again, but we're going to go over again as far as what are the things that can probably happen as in the reason why you can go into lock mode. And reason number one, if your key is worn or damaged or anything like that, from what they were saying, that this could cause your car to go into lock mode. They're saying if the ignition is started, I think like 5 or more times, that can make your car go into lock mode. And then reason number 2, and it's saying something about your locking mechanism, which is this outer ring right here. But then sometimes I don't think this is probably the case, but you can change it after. But it's this extra ring like right here, not this part, the inner ring actually. Making sure that y'all get that. And that's the second reason. And then now reason number 3, and then we're gonna go in the hood for this one because this is actually one of the major key factors is the reason why this thing kept going into lock mode, and especially when it rains. And I showed this in another video, but I'm gonna show it right now real quick before we go into the steps. All right, so we're gonna open the hood on this bad boy real quick though, and I have to show you this because nobody else is not gonna show it to you, and I had to learn this the hard way. And here we go. Alright, cool. So we got this bad boy open. Hold on. And let's put this right here. We gotta make sure that this actually stays. Alright, now if you come to this side, especially when it rains, if you don't have this cover for this fuse box right here, this is another major, factor, is the reason why this will go into lock mode. So if any moisture hit this thing, like I said in the other video, I'm just going over it again real quick, so in case some of y'all didn't get it, this will be one of the key factors of the reason why, because the moisture is hitting this, and then that's gonna also mess that up though. So especially if it rains, like, yeah, that'll definitely mess it up. So try to see you can get all the covers, which I'm working on now, and which this plastic will be going soon because it looks super duper ultra mega bootleg. I think I'm up to reason number 4 right now, or reason number 3. I forgot. I lost count. But another major factor also too is bad wiring. So when you buy these cars, just make sure that you don't get like a lot of nonsense, which I'm about to show you right now. I did like a lot of wire elimination, and I'm about to show you what I mean as far as like what's left that I have to clean up after the previous owner or whichever owner that had this car. So you want to look out for stuff like this though, because the wires were actually worse than this though. I don't have like another picture right now. Yeah, so this is what you want to look for, like right here. So I don't know what the previous owner did. They was doing some crazy wiring. They was running fog lights through the battery, which I cleaned that up. There was a whole lot of nonsense that was coming through this part, and that didn't look good. So it was a lot of wire elimination I had to take out from here. And actually this wire harness, this part was supposed to be in the bumper, but I cleaned it up as much as I could. And that's pretty much it as far as with that. Like, before you buy these cars, especially like in here, just make sure nobody didn't do too much wiring. And also with the whole HID setup, they did that messed up. That's another thing that could probably cause your car to go into lock mode, and as far as like you having difficulty starting it. It's a lot of key factors. I'm just giving you like at least the ones that I experienced. All right, now the moment that y'all been waiting for, I'm gonna show y'all how to get out of it even faster. The other video is helpful too, but it doesn't take that long, which I have to find out because I didn't fully understood it. But now that I properly understood it though, like this is how like you'll do it. Same steps though, but there's a key thing that you have to pay attention to, which I didn't understand until I went to LOCKMODE again. Like actually let me see, was it like 5 days ago? It was super recent, but anyway, let's not drag it out. All right, so now you take your key, then you put it in here, and then you turn it to the accessory mode right here. So the second click, so you want to be right here and count to 5, and then once you count to 5, you turn it off and then turn it right back on and count to 5 again. But here's the thing. So when you're doing that, like this light right here, after probably like 3 to 4 times, it will still come on, but it won't be on immediately. So when that happens, right, you take the key out, and then you will lock it, and then you unlock it, and then put the key back in again, and then do it again. That's what you'll do. So if the light doesn't come on, and that means like you're out of lock mode. So what I'm doing right now, I'm just giving y'all like a even further and more clearer explanation to the first video of how to get out of lock mode. But that's the fastest way to actually do it. The second you don't see the light come on fast enough, it will take like at least like 2 to 3 seconds, and then once that light pops on mad late, lock it and then start it. The car should start up. So with that being said, that's how you would get out of lock mode super faster than the other videos. So it doesn't even have to take that long. But as always, if you have further questions, feel free to DM me on Extreme Exotic Whips on the Instagram. And then as always, if you browse the channel, like, comment, and subscribe, and keep those post notifications on. And stay tuned for more supercar videos. And like I said, if y'all need help, just hit me up on Instagram, alright? Yeah, it's about to be 100 degrees today, so I'm out of here. But like I said, hit me up in the DMs if y'all need additional help. And we out.